Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to go from your old stock rear bumper to this new custom tube bumper. Couple of bolts that are holding this thing on. You go over here, you see there's one here and there's one here. So we're going to have to take those out. So I sprayed them good, let it sit, and now I'm going to remove it with the breaker bar. It's easy enough to remove. On this stock bumper, they weld the bolts onto this piece. This has to come off, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Now that you have the side skirts off, this you can keep, this needs to go. The bumper's heavy, but if you just have one person on one side and one person on the other side, then you can just guide it right into that C channel. You can see that this frame is boxed in and it ends right here. So this is the first bolt for the bumper bracket, right? The second one is about right here. So I don't have the space like I did with this one to get it started. So I'll show you what I did instead. Technologia. So it's an open C channel, but then eventually it gets boxed in, and I have to put a bolt in that boxed in section. I have a magnet. Boom. I'm going to take the back bolt out. I'm going to put the magnet in, try to spy it through where I can see the hole where the bolt's supposed to go. I'm going to try to start it off, and then I'm going to stick a 3/4, once I get it started hopefully, I'm going to try to get a 3/4 box end wrench in there so I can hold it while I tighten it up. I got it. Find the bolt, hold that bolt right there while you tighten up the other side bolt. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to go from your old stock bumper to a new custom tube bumper.